How cool would it be if you could connect your DJI RC2 to an external screen? That is actually possible, and it's a lot easier than you would think. I see this question all the time. How do I connect the remote here to an external screen? I want to show the audience when I'm out flying what it is that I'm doing. And I actually got this advice from a good friend of the channel, because I had to go and make a speak where I had to teach a little bit about what this controller could do, and it would be very nice if I could just pull it up onto an external screen. So I was trying to figure out if there was a good solution for that. And there is. And for this demonstration, I'll just use this little external screen that I have here. It has like a HDMI port here, like you have in a regular television on the side. And what we're going to need to use for this is this cable. This is called Aten UC3238 USB-C to 4K HDMI cable. I can show you because I have one here. So this is, I think it's 2.7 meters, so it's pretty long. And it has like a regular USB-C in this end, and it has HDMI in this end. So what we're going to do now is we're going to plug it into the screen up here. So now it's plugged into my little external screen here. And then the magic will happen. So I simply just, you won't believe it because it's so simple. The solution is so simple if you buy the right equipment. And you just plug it into the USB-C port here in the base of the controller. So when I put it in here, see? Now I have the exact same image on both screens. So how nice is that? So that was just a short video to show you how to get the RC2 to connect to an external screen that is of course equipped with a HDMI port. By the way, if you're interested in more details about or didn't catch which type of cable it was, I will of course put information in the comments below. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, then feel free to give it a like. If you didn't like it, feel free to press the dislike button twice. Thank you for watching, and I'll be seeing you on the next one.